Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on repairing the Dell XPS P153G motherboard. In this video, we will walk you through the necessary tools, the disassembly process, and how to clean and repair the motherboard effectively. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, isopropyl alcohol, a microfiber cloth, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for ensuring a proper repair without causing further damage to your device. To begin, make sure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery, if possible, to prevent any electrical hazards. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the Dell XPS P153G. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew all screws and set them aside in a safe place. It's important to keep track of which screws go where, as they can vary in size and length. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will have access to the internal components, including the motherboard. Now, we'll focus on cleaning the motherboard. You'll want to use isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth to gently wipe away any dust and debris. This step is crucial as it helps prevent overheating and ensures optimal performance. If you're unsure about the cleaning process or don't have the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. After cleaning, inspect the motherboard for any visible damage such as burnt components or loose connections. If you find any issues, it may require soldering or component replacement. If you're not comfortable performing these repairs, consider our services. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy and convenient for you. Once you've assessed the motherboard, apply a small amount of thermal paste on the CPU before reassembling. This will help with heat dissipation. Take your time to make sure you don't apply too much paste, as this can cause more problems. Next, carefully reattach the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Then, replace all screws, ensuring they are tightly secured, but be careful not to over-tighten them. Finally, reinsert the battery and plug the laptop back in. Power it on and check if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues or if the repair seems daunting, just remember, no calls, no travel. Our services are designed to make this process as seamless as possible for you. You can also request a quote before repair to understand the costs involved up front. Thank you for following along in this detailed guide. With the right tools and a little patience, you can successfully repair your Dell XPS P153G motherboard. If you need further assistance or prefer a professional touch, don't hesitate to reach out to us for expert help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.